Now I would like to tell you a few words regarding the whole world of Tala. Like ragas are the melody forms which you have been hearing one of them just now. Talas are the rhythmic cycles. There are hundreds of different talas ranging from 3-beat cycle to 108-beat cycles. We have the very great master of these drums, Alla Rakha. He will demonstrate the main basic sounds. You see, each sound produced with the hand has got a corresponding sound syllable. The right hand drum is known as the tabla, which you have seen that it is tuned with a hammer. Oh, I'm out of tune, I'm sorry. And the left hand drum, which is the bass drum, is known as the baya. With the pressure of the wrist or base of palm, one can produce different pitch like this. So tabla, the right hand, the baya, the left hand one, but together they are known as tabla only. These are some very simple phrases. Ta, tin, na, tit, tita, tina, kat, ghe, gha, ke. Dha, dhin, kran, ghran, titakat, katitatta, takatakittatta, takatakatakatakitatta, tirikitatakta, kirinaktirikatakta, gindrakatakta, gindrakatakta. Gigadin. Tittikata, gattikan, dhakata, dhakata, dhakata. We're going to do it. Now, you are going to hear a solo in the rhythmic cycle known as Jhaptal, which has 10 beats divided 2-3, 2-3. While he will be performing, Ustad Alla Rakha is also going to speak out, say a few fixed compositions, and immediately play whatever he says with his hands. Those would be the only, perhaps, the fixed things, because the rest of the time we are improvising, as you know, all the time. Almost, I would say, anything from 90 to 95% is improvised on a basis, the raga or the tala that we choose. Jhaptal. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.